taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good morning. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello to camera.
Oh, come on.
Say hola.
Hola.
Look at the camera.
Hola.
Okay. How are you, everyone?
Hi.
We're gonna cook with mommy. What you gonna cook? Banana cake.
Another cake.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I've been here.
Wait a minute. Hi guys! Welcome to Kusina! Magluluto po kami ngayon ni Sander ng banana cake loaf. Ha, Sander? So guys, ito yung mga recipe. Papakita namin. Say, hola!
Hola.
This is the recipe. We have banana, very ripe banana, egg, butter, sugar, baking soda, and flour, guys. This is the 140 flour, 140 sugar, and 140 butter, 2 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 banana. Look at my son. He's doing the. Can you mash banana, anak? Mash it. Wait.
Mash?
Mommy gonna help you.
Help you.
Okay, go. Okay, guys. The banana need to be mashed first, yeah? Mash. Oh.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, Nana.
Okay. And you need to follow mommy how to do it.
Mommy.
Look at this, guys. It's hard now. Mommy can help you to cut it. You need to cut it, anak.
Cut it.
Go.
I'll put
Make
banana
sure,
in
guys,
here.
yeah.
I'll put banana in here.
Make sure that the banana
Stop.
is hinog na hinog.
It's
Right.
not Nana.
Wait. Okay, guys. Like that.
What's a Nana? Maybe it's out.
Okay. Don't do that. Oh my god. Okay, guys. This is the flour. Next is the baking powder, Sander. Sander helping me. This is anak. Pause it. Good job. Put the sugar, please.
Sugar?
Yeah, sugar. Oh my god. Good job.
What's the sugar? Sorry, Mommy.
Okay. Mix together. Mix together.
I want to put the milk.
Yeah, mix together, darling. Good
Okay.
boy. Okay.
Banana.
Put the egg.
Egg.
Ooh. Stuck. Mix together, please. Yeah, well done.
Whoa, what's the egg here?
Well done, Sander. Well
What's the egg?
done.
What's the egg?
Are you making now?
Yeah,
Okay.
open the
Not the
banana.
banana. This butter, please.
Butter.
Yeah.
What's the butter here?
Good
It's the egg. It's the egg.
boy.
What's the butter?
Mix together. Properly mix together, son.
Okay.
Yeah,
Done.
okay.
Banana. Banana.
Wait a minute. We need to mix first before banana is come.
Mommy's coming. It's melt. Hold the banana.
Hold the bottle.
Hold the bottle. What's that?
Okay, guys.
Make a
Nilagyan na namin yung
pancake
banana. I already put the banana. I help my son because maybe gonna be full over. So, yeah. Mix together. May clump po namin to, yeah. Hold properly,
No,
anak.
I'll hold.
Yeah, thank you.
Me pour wobble.
Yeah.
It makes.
Okay, mix it.
Okay. Hold. Mommy's poured wobble.
Okay, guys. Look at that. Already mix everything combined. So, we're gonna put in here.
Put in here.
Yeah.
No, it's a good.
Okay, guys, look at that. Amazing. Yeah. Sandra, what do you think your banana cake?
Banana cake.
Yummy?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a birthday party.
Oh, you're gonna make for a birthday party cake. Yep.
Yeah, it's me.
See, it's your birthday?
Yes, me.
Happy birthday, darling. Give a kiss to mommy. Love you.
A birthday, Dada.
Happy birthday, Sandra.
A birthday, Sana.
Love you.
You said the same as happy birthday, you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sana.
Yay! Clap your hands. Good boy.
No, say
How old are you? How old are you?
3.
You are
No.
4.
Four,
Like
yeah.
this, like this.
What's
Count-
that?
Can you count it to 4? Yes?
Yes, 4.
No. Counting, please. Count.
1,
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
3,
Yeah.
4.
Oh, well done. You're so clever, isn't it? Yay!
Up in
Love
here.
you. Okay, now wait a minute.
Mama,
Excellent, excellent. Okay, look at this. We're gonna put that in the oven about 30 minutes.
Wow.
Okay, talk, speak.
Oh, how is this cupcake? Someone
Oh my god, this is your cake.
Yes, my cake.
Okay.
I'll
So
put
we're
it.
gonna put that in the oven.
No. No.
See you later.
Tomato
See you
pie.
later.
Tomato.
Say bye. Hola. Mwah. Okay guys, look at this. Amazing, isn't it? Look at that, guys. Okay guys, look at that. Look amazing.
Oh, bubbles.
Lagyan natin siya ng coconut. So, look, yummy. Okay. Ayan.
Mommy, I like coconut.
Guys, look at that. Look yummy and delicious. Banana cake with coconut. Look at that. Okay guys, look at that. Ah, amazing, huh? Amazing. Nice. Lovely. Hi guys, look at that, my delicious banana cake with coconut. So sana pa nagustuhan nyo ang aking banana cake. It look amazing, delicious. Napakasarap. Ayan, kaso mainit pa. Ayan, look at this. In the kitchen, we are fire! Thank you for watching. Hola amigo. Look at that. Amazing guys. Napakasarap po. Mas with coffee and tea is look delicious. Tikman natin. Nice and soft as well. I love it. Yummy. Thank you.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food.